y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a eye makeup look for y'all using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. I just picked this up a couple weeks ago and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I saw it in Ulta and was like, okay, buying that. So it's just the perfect shade range for me. Like everything I love, like oranges, berry tones, some fun like purples to play with, and like these greens. Like I never really used those colors, so like that's something new for me to try out, but I'm completely obsessed with it. So I am just gonna do a look for y'all today. I've already done my face makeup and my brows, and so I'm just going to be focusing on eyes today. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and get started. I have already primed my lids with my e.l.f. Eyeshadow primer and then set it with just a nude shadow. So I'm going to zoom y'all in and we'll get started. I think I'm going to take this orange shadow on a fluffy brush and do that as my transition shade today. So these shadows are so pigmented and just so pretty. Like ever since I got this palette, this is the only palette I've been using. If you're someone that doesn't use a lot of color though, might not be ideal for you. But if you're wanting to like play with colors more, I would say it's a good way to start, because it's got some neutrals, but it also has like just pops of color that you might be wanting to try out also. So I'm just working this into my crease, blending it up towards the brow bone. So next I'm going to go in with this, it's like an orange red, and just place that right under that orange we just did. Just going to focus it on the outside to start with. I found if you pat a little bit, like pat the color on and then windshield wiper motion to blend, it works a lot better rather than just going in and trying to blend straight out. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that color. This is a dual-sided brush I'm using, so I'm going to put a little bit of that under my lash line. Next color I'm going to do is, where are we? This one right here. It's kind of a purpley brown. It's like a slanted kind of crease brush, because I kind of just want to focus it on the outer part of my eye and then just tap it in there. And then I'm going to take a really small, this is contour eyeshadow brush by Santi, and I'm going to pick up this purple shade on this smaller brush, and then just kind of focus it on the outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit, but not too much, but just a bit. I think I'm going to do a shiny purple on the lid. to take this purple right here. I'll swatch it for you. It's so pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna, I'm out of setting spray, which is what I would normally use to get the color payoff that I want. But, so I'm gonna do, I have a Maybelline Color Stay Tattoo in Too Cool. It's just a white one. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lid and then put the purple on top. This will just create a stickier base for it. Now, let's see, I'm going to take a concealer brush and just kind of move that product where I want it. And then I'm just going to take my finger and pick up that purple shade and then pack it on top. And then that fluffy brush that I was using earlier, I'm just gonna blend a little bit. For highlighting today of my brow bone and inner corner, I'm using the Carly Bybel palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna be using the pink and the white one, because that's what I used on my face today. So I'm just gonna, on a flat, super little flat shadow, what even is this? Small shader brush. I'm just going to dip into those two, and then I'll put it in the inner corner and just kind of blend it in a little bit. Today I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. So I'm going to just curl my lashes real quick and then apply that. I love this mascara. It's so voluminous and just makes my eyelashes like really look really big. So if you're looking for a good one that makes your lashes really big and full and long, I would definitely recommend this one. Hi-Fi Shine gloss in Back Talk. It's a really pretty nude color that goes great with a super dramatic lip like this, and I love this gloss. It stays on really well and it's not like too sticky, and it smells kind of minty, so it's a very good gloss. Highly recommend it. So this is the final look from the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, which is my new favorite, and I love it so much. And I just feel like the shades are really pretty, pigmented, lots of range from like greens to browns to oranges, purples, berry tones, reds. So if you are looking for a new palette, I would highly recommend that one. It's about, I think it's $24, so not that bad. And it's a big palette. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.